Hey there, this is a heat pump slash air conditioning exhaust vent going through a window. Actually, that's the window. This is Lexan, polycarbonate material that's a beveled type of window. It has great security and insulation properties, so I don't feel the heat coming through on a day like today. And it's UV protected, so it won't yellow over time. Over here, this vent is exhausting outside through the window, which has a hole cut into it. That's the advantage of using Lexan, is that you can cut it with a really sharp knife. So in most situations, when you have an exhaust vent from an air conditioner or a heat pump, you have to close the window on this side here against that vent. There's like a little plastic insert, but on this side, you have a huge air gap right here that allows for heat or cold to get in the house, and you're having to keep your window open. So a little bit of history here. I had to replace my windows in my house, and I ordered 2 of the windows with no glass in them, additional windows. So I have my existing window down here if I want to replace it. But over here, I put this Lexan window in place in the blank, and I'm able to pass this vent through there. In a previous video, you can see this antenna over here. That's an HF radio antenna, that wire and that pole. Well, I had a cable that was going through a window for a radio. So over here, I'm allowing for some ventilation to take place from a air conditioner slash heat pump. So on a day like today, it's hot. It's 45 degrees outside, and I'm keeping this bedroom at 19 degrees. So it's nice to be able to run this air conditioner at night, or in times where it's really hot, without having to run the air conditioner for the rest of my house. And that's the whole purpose here. So being able to heat or cool this space and save a little bit of energy, and at the same time keeping everything secure so that there's no air gaps or insects or rain getting through the window while it's running. So pretty cool solution. I hope that you all can gain something from this, and if you see this material at a hardware store, go for it. Order yourself an extra window and have at it. Pass things through it like these air conditioning vents. Real cool thing. I hope that it helps you all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and as always, thank you so much for watching this video.